Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a wash and go using Pretti Phizziez Pineapple Defining Butter Gel as well as the Pineapple Glaze. Stay tuned. So I'm starting out with the apricot and macadamia smoothie as my leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to make sure that I evenly distribute that product throughout my strands. Next up, I'm going in with the Pineapple Defining Butter Gel, and I'm also going to make sure that I distribute that evenly throughout my strands as well. Then last but not least, I am putting that into a smaller section, adding a little bit more water, and then going in with the pineapple glaze on top. So I'm using the rake-in method for my wash and go today, and I'm just going to repeat these same steps throughout my entire head. Now that my wash and go is complete, I am just going to let it air dry throughout the day. So here's my hair about 75% dry. My hair is shiny, moisturized, defined using these products. So I decided to go in with a little temporary color. So I'm going to be using the Gemini Naturals Vegan Temporary Color Gel in the color Pink Berry. Do you see how easy it is to transform my black curls into this pink berry color just using a little bit of this temporary color gel? Love this stuff. No strand left behind. So here are my results after adding the color, and I'm just going to continue to let my hair air dry. So here are my final results. I'm definitely loving this wash and go combo. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in my next video.